I would like to wish you all Happy Hindi Divas and Telugu Bhasha Dinotsavam.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि
The principal of Kairos Global School. I have been in this field for the past 25 years. I started my career as a teacher and gone up to the principal this one. I have a vast experience in ICC, IGCC and CBSE. My journey with Kairos Global School started in the year 2018. As they say, there's no looking back after that. Kairos Global School truly motivates and empowers the educators as they feel aptly supported and ably equipped to guide the young precious learners. As a principal, it is my mission to take eloquent steps so as to transfer my core philosophy and values into effective action. I feel such honor and privilege to be an integral part of such a proficient and progressive workforce. Everything we do at Kairos oozes integrity and excellence that is refreshing and essential in our school. Kairos Global School exemplifies what it means to be an organization that is united under a common mission, that to nurture children into lifelong learners and global citizens. Thank you. Kairos Global School.